What's going on everyone, it's GadgetsBoy and welcome to another video. So in this video we'll be checking out the new Huawei P20 and the P20 Pro, and if you haven't seen the Porsche design Huawei Mate RS video, make sure you check that out on the channel as well. And whilst I'm here, if this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as hit the bell button so you'll be one of the first people to know when I upload a video. What do we have here then? So the P20 Pro is the bigger brother here. So this one features a 40 megapixel sensor, so you can shoot high resolution photos as well. So they both have great cameras, but the Pro version has the triple lens setup. The triple lens setup means you get 40 megapixel for colors, 20 megapixel for monochrome, and 8 megapixel for telephoto lens. And you've also got 5 times hybrid zoom as well, with 3 times optical zoom. So the 40 megapixel you get an aperture of f1.8, the 20 megapixel you get f1.6, and the 8 megapixel telephoto you get f2.4 wide aperture to capture those crisp photos on the go. So you get almost the best camera you can get in your pocket on a mobile phone. So what operating system are we running here? So they're both running Android 8.1 with EMUI 8.1 on top as well. That's Huawei's own skin, which hopefully you guys might like, but that's your preference. In terms of processor, you get Huawei's Kirin 970 processor in both, the octa-core processor, and you get a 4GB RAM in the smaller version, well, slightly smaller, the P20, and in the bigger one, you get 6GB RAM in there. So for storage, the P20 standard version, you get 128GB, as well as the Pro, you get 128GB as well. They're both dual SIMs, the versions I've got here, so I can run 2 SIM cards at the same time. So another thing that Huawei's done before with the Mate 10, which they're carrying on here, is the NPU, which allows your device just to run smoothly over time, no matter when and how long you keep your device for. You got a powerful GPU setup here, Mali G72 MP12 here with 767 megahertz running there, so it should really run smoothly when playing games, but even watching movies and watching stuff on YouTube, for example. Make sure you're watching my videos, by the way. So you got 3D glass setup here. You got a 5.8 inch full view display on the P20, and on the P20 Pro you have a 6.1 full view display there as well. The P20 Pro is a 408 ppi, while the P20 is 428 ppi in there. So they both have a resolution of 1080 by 2244. So again, you get a really large display, nearly bezel-less display, and the colors looks fantastic. What really stands out to me here though is the twilight color on the P20 Pro. Really looks nice. I think in terms of design, when you take it out and about, people will see it and ask you, what device is that in your hands? The standard P20 only comes with 2 lenses though, so again, this is one of the reasons why you might want to choose the P20 Pro over the other one, but then it just comes down to if you want that 40 megapixel shooter in your hands. So in terms of battery, you have 3,400 mAh battery in the P20, and in the P20 Pro you get 4,000 mAh battery in there. So one's got a larger battery, but with Huawei's processor chip in there and the memory and the setup and the software, which is optimized, hopefully you should get decent battery life out of both of them. So you got 960 frames per second video recording as well, which is great on both, and you can shoot 4K videos as well. On the front you get 24 megapixel camera at f2.0. Again, great for those selfies, and Huawei's AIS means every shot that you take will be intelligently analyzed to make sure that you get the best out of every scenario without having to do much. You get Pro mode as well on both, and you can save raw photos, which is really good. There's LDAC ready as well, and in the box you also get USB-C cable, and you get USB-C to audio 3.5mm adapter in there because they've removed that from the actual device itself. So it's just another extra thing to carry around with you. Elsewhere, we get Fingerprint Scanner on both. You get Face ID unlock, so you can unlock it with your face. You got nice rounded edges on the P20 Pro, which is nice. IP67 water and dust resistance available as well on the P20 Pro. And all in all, just a really nice setup, nice design, and I'm looking forward to actually playing with this and taking the camera out and testing it out. So if you want to check out some of the shots, make sure you follow me on GadgetsBoy, because that's where I'll be uploading some of the shots before the full review comes out. Last thing before I forget, there's also Huawei's AIS, which is good for night shots. So there's a night mode in the camera settings, which allows you to shoot at nighttime the best quality possible, so you get nice highlights, you don't get them overblown out, you get nice colors, you get a nice dynamic range. But again, this is all great on paper for me. I'm yet to take them out on road to fully road test this, so look out for that. In the meantime, let me know what you think of the smartphones, let me know what you think of this video as well, drop some comments below. All other information will be in the description area, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, see you later.